Hey Tie-Dye family, I have the opportunity to show you a game changer. I partnered with FlexiSpot and they sent me the FlexiSpot E4 standing desk, which is 55 inches by 28 inches. But you can customize this desk to your preferences. I picked the black frame with the bamboo desktop, but FlexiSpot offers multiple frame, desktop, and desktop size options. There is obviously some assembly required, and you may want to have 2 people because this desk is pretty heavy duty. This desk is easy and convenient because you can simply press the up or down buttons, or you can use the 3 programmable buttons you can set to your perfect sitting and standing height. There's also a long time sitting reminder button, which is also super important when you spend hours tie-dyeing custom orders, working on video edits, or posting to social media. As a mom and someone who works full-time at a job and on my own business, it is very important to me to keep the back pain to a minimum and to reduce the risk of any other health issues. And sometimes your back and booty just need a break. I especially love the anti-collision sensitivity. Basically, when an obstruction is detected while the desk is moving up or down, the desk will stop and move in the opposite direction for a short distance. As most of you know, I have a toddler, a dog, and a cat, and they all have the habit of wanting to help me work. The height of the desk adjusts from 24.4 inches to 50 inches. It also has very quiet dual motors, which can handle up to 220 pounds and still not disturb a sleeping baby. Now, the reason I chose the bamboo top is because it's stronger than steel, which makes this the most durable piece of furniture in my house, and it doesn't shake much no matter how high it is. Another great thing about bamboo is that it's smooth and easy to clean, which means I don't have to worry about dye transferring to anything I may set on my desk. FlexiSpot is the perfect choice to build a flexible and healthy life. Their ergonomic designs help over 10 million people to avoid spine and other health issues. I realize this may not be for everyone, but the FlexiSpot desk has already changed my health and motivation for the better. You guys are important to me and I wanted to share this with you. If you are interested, I have provided a link in my description box so you can check it out for yourself.